Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wondered how to get your Garmin device talking to your brand new NMAX V3? It's easier than you might think, and it truly upgrades your ride. Imagine seeing turn-by-turn directions right on your scooter's dash, or getting important call alerts without reaching for your phone. This connectivity offers real convenience and makes every trip more enjoyable. It's a fantastic way to blend technology with your daily commute or weekend adventures. Before we dive into the steps, let's gather everything you'll need for a smooth setup. First, have your Garmin GPS device ready, along with your Yamaha NMAX V3 scooter. Crucially, ensure both your Garmin and the NMAX V3's firmware are completely up to date for the best compatibility. You'll also want to download the Yamaha Y-Connect app onto your smartphone from your app store. Having these items prepared will make the process much quicker. Now, let's get your Garmin device ready for connection. Power on your Garmin and head straight into its main settings menu. Look for the Bluetooth or wireless connectivity section there. Once you find it, select the option to put your Garmin into pairing mode. This makes it discoverable to your scooter and phone, so it's a vital first step in establishing that connection. Next, we'll focus on your NMAX V3 and the Y-Connect app. On your NMAX display, access its settings and locate the Bluetooth pairing feature. Simultaneously, open the Yamaha Y-Connect app on your smartphone. The app is intuitive. It will walk you through selecting your NMAX and then guiding you to pair your Garmin device using the displayed codes. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to ensure a successful link. Once you've completed the pairing steps, look for a confirmation message. It should appear clearly on both your NMAX V3's display and within the Y-Connect app. To ensure everything is working perfectly, try starting a short route on your Garmin and verify that the directions pop up on your scooter's screen. If you encounter any hiccups, a simple restart of both your Garmin and NMAX, or repairing them from the beginning, often resolves common issues. Enjoy your enhanced riding experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.